my name is Deva Rizki Andriyani from 11 Science 1. In this video, I will tell you about how to use Blender. First, we have to know what is procedure text. Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. The social function of procedure text is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. The communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of actions or steps. What is Blender? Blender is a best friend when you want to make some juice out or fruits of vegetables. Once you get used to this thing, you will try some experiments in making juice yourself. Here are some steps to illustrate how to use a blender. The first step is make sure the blender is clean and in working conditions. The second one is plug to the socket. The third one is put your ingredients inside. Try fruits like banana, avocado, or papaya. After you put the ingredients, close the lid and hold the cover tightly. After that, press the button to blend it. There are other buttons showing the speed of blender blades. Try the other buttons. After that, open up the lid and pour it out. And the last step is after the usage, don't forget to clean the blender jar, lid, and blades, not including the base. That is steps how to use Blender. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like. Thank you.